Right, tell me what happens at Halloween.
I told you.
Well, go on and tell me.
People come to your door dressed up as witches.
And what do they do?
Tell you pay money to them.
Why?
I don't know.
And what's
Anyway,
this?
I can be a vampire.
Tell me how you're a vampire.
I'll show you.